Hi there, binary options traders. My name is AJ, and today I'm going to be showing you a USD CAD 60-second binary that I placed during the Oceania Asian session on July the 8th, 2012. It was a put option that resulted from a $24 investment expiring below for a 40.80 profit, which is nice. So small winner, as you can see over here, target price of 946 at the last three digits, 934 the actual market price where it ended up. So just over a pip in direction, so it's great for 60-second binaries. Compared to 15-minute expiries or other types of expiries, it's not as good of a winner, but in 60-second options, anything over, let's say, half a pip is good. Anything under that it wasn't as strong as it should have been. So let's get into the chart, shall we? So over here I have my USD CAD chart that is displayed in MetaTrader, 1 minute chart obviously. And as you can see, basically what happened was the price was moving down, but it was ranging in this sort of channel. So moving up, moving down, heading into this channel, sort of going through it and then moving back into it, moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down, moving up, moving down. And so finally, right over here, basically what happened is that price tried to break through again through this 50 moving average, as it had done previously over here, and then it had broken back down over here and over here. So price started trying to break through this 50 moving average, and what ended up happening was that there was a bit of a fight. Now what this green candle doesn't show is that fight. So basically what I'm going to recommend for myself, and if you want to share in this too, is always be aware of what your candles are doing, regardless of what your charting platform is showing, what your indicators are showing. Just pay attention to the price, because what basically was happening is that the price was bouncing up and bouncing down, bouncing up, bouncing down. And while this shows a very full candle with no wick at the bottom or anything like that, basically price was just a little bit over here and then moving up, and then basically the sellers would push it back down and then it would move back up. So what ended up happening is that the close was above over here, but that was untrue. So by placing a put option right over there, as displayed right over here in the screenshot, the price moved down. And it didn't happen, I think what's not very clear in the 24-option chart, and this is why you shouldn't rely on the platform charts that are provided by your binary options brokerages. You can't see that fight over here. Basically, the price looks smooth. But what ended up happening is that the price was jumping up and then jumping down, jumping up and jumping down. And that's where tick charts and things like that and just watching the price action really come in handy, because if you look over here, it just looks like it smoothly moved up and then just moved down. This price was moving up and down, so by paying attention to the candles and paying attention to what's happening in your platform, you'll get a better idea of where the price is and where the trend is going. And the market always is trending. It's either trending up or down or sideways. So by paying attention to where the trend is moving, and especially by just watching the price action, you can profit from that. So that's it for this video. I'd like to remind you to like, comment, share, and subscribe these videos as well as the videos over at the Happy Forexer channel. Don't forget, if you don't have a 24-option account, there's a link in the description down below which will take you to 24-option, and from there you can fund your account. It's $250 for the smallest account, and then you can also ask for a demo account which you can practice to your heart's content and just keep flattening it if that's the case. Or you could do very well in demo and then just transfer that knowledge over to live and be the best binary options trader. You could be that best binary options trader in the world, and there's no stopping you. I mean, ultimately, don't get a big head about it, because success is pretty nasty when it comes to this trading game, because basically if you lose, you'll lose your confidence, but if you win, you might get arrogant. And so it's very important that you keep your emotions in check. So the demo account helps to practice all that control and that psychological control, and then you can bring all those skills as well as the techniques and strategies to your live account and hopefully profit as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.